Let's talk about number functions in Excel. So in this example, we have a list of sales and we need to display the rank based on the sales values. On the other side, we have the reports define. Let's say I need to define top 1 to top 3 of the sales values and I need to define the last or the bottom 3 on the sales report. To start with, we can apply name manager by highlighting this data, B3 to B8. Click on the name box and type the word sales. Press enter. Now, if I need to rank them from 1 to 6, 1 is the highest, 6 is the lowest, you can start by typing equal rank, open parenthesis, number means the actual value of the sales, and then comma, order for the name manager sales. Alright, so from B3 and then sales, let me press enter and then drag the formula going down. It will display the rank of this table based on the sales value. Top 1 is 9,800 and 6th is 1,200. We can actually reverse the logic of the arrangement for the rank by simply going back to the syntax of the formula. Before close parentheses, type comma. We have two sets of orders available for the rank. 0 is the default. Descending means 1 is the highest and the last number 6 is the lowest. However, if you used 1 instead of 0, which is the default one, and autofill that, Excel will reverse the logic by defining 6 as the highest number of the sales and 1 as the lowest value on the sales. Alright, so you have several options for that. In the meantime, let me stick with the original setup, B3 and sales. It's the same thing with 0, alright, or descending. And then autofill, you have the ranking now. On the other side, I need to display the top 3 values on my sales table. In order to do that, we can use the name, we can use the function name large equal large, open parenthesis. Large function contains two syntax. As you can see, we have array and letter key. Array means the sales table, comma, key means the rank. If I need top 1, let me type number 1. Press enter. That's the highest number available. Next, second largest number. Array means the sales. Number 2 for the second largest number. And top 3 equal large. Sales. Number 3. Then enter. So this is your top 3 most or largest number on the sales table. You don't need to rearrange the sales column here from highest to lowest in order to attain these reports. Regardless if this is sorted or not, it will always find the highest number, the second highest number, and the third highest number. Next, I need to define the bottom 3 by typing equal small. For the array, let's use sales, the number 1 for the rank or letter T. For that, it will define the lowest number on the list. Equal small, sales, and the number 2 to define the second smallest number on the list. Equal small, open parenthesis, and then RA, sales, and then number 3, to define the third smallest number on the list. Okay, and that's it for this number function.